Hi guys. Today, 7 July of 2025. I'm sorry that I haven't recorded anything for the past 2 days, which is um 5th of May, sorry, 6th of May and 7th of May. The reason is I was trying to build and put more important features and trying to test it here and there, as well as doing weekend stuff. So I'll try to do it with English from now on, because it's easier for me to maintain and track the journey of me doing the programming, as well as I'm doing the job hunting in Melbourne anyway, or in Aussie. So the recruiter, HR, probably head of IT or any reviewer that is coming to my profile one day next year or this year, in the end of this year, if I'm going to look for internship, which I am actually going to, can have a look onto my journey that I have put the effort to build it incrementally and to put some consistency as well. So it's just more into like learning reiteration and project-based learning to learn faster than anyone else, because I'm pretty sure that at this moment I'm still a beginner. But let's see within like 3 months if I'm actually able to code harder and more difficult than this, and let's see if I'm actually able to pass any coding test or as well as the project um, project tasks. Anyway, here we are. So I'm just going to explain what is this blog API first. I am actually going to learn about C# and .NET, and this project is one of that I think could teach me how to do separation consent. You have the repository, the model, the services, and I just did the migration. And you also do controllers as well as the DTO, which means that you're not going to send the whole model into the response. It's more into like just take whatever that you need as the response, and you can just do it as a reusable things. Now, this blog API will contain of MVC, and the model that I have currently is not a lot yet, just the category post and user. So far by 7th of July, I do have the create post and get all posts, get post detail and update post, as well as to patch the post itself, which intended to do just to update the status if it's if it's actually going to be published or not. Now with user, I just got this to register and to get the user detail. Just for my agenda for today, I'll try to build some JWT, so JSON Web Token, into the user, so user can only get the posts. User can get all the posts as well as to get the post that he posts or they post. And then I'll try to build some more modules as well, like probably comments and likes, just to mirroring everything that is implemented by a real life situation. And from there, if I still have the time to build it by tomorrow for another daily check-in or daily updates, I'll try to do some logging just to see if if we can have a proper and clear explanation what that is. Now, I do not have any prior background to C# or .NET, so this code might be a little bit messy or here and there about refactoring and comments, but I do believe that this is the best way for me to learn how to do it. So you'll see a lot of errors. A lot of the things here might not be perfect, but I'll think this is the best practice that I can learn from now on for at this moment. And I'll try to do some deployment. I've never used any Azure before, so that is quite challenging as well for me to be done. So hopefully starting from today, 7th of July, I'll try to do it more into the advanced features, as well as to understand what is going behind the hood. Alright, I think that's it from me for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, 8th of July.